Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Bitstamp login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Bitstamp login, start by navigating to the Bitstamp website. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login screen. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. You will be redirected to a password recovery page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Bitstamp account. After entering your email address, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a message from Bitstamp containing password reset instructions. If you don't see the email, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will take you to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the required criteria. Retype your new password to confirm it. After entry, click the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. Now, return to the Bitstamp login page. Enter your email address and your new password in the respective fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. Make sure to log out after you've finished your session for security purposes. You have now successfully reset your Bitstamp login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.